Okay, tank view. Alright, I also got to show you this thing is Kohler sink. So yeah. Alright, let's do this. Very quick, because my freaking phone has low storage. Low storage, I mean low battery. Let me see. What the hell? Whatever. I need to brush, seriously. So here we go. Here we go. Alright, look at that. See? Not bad, this phone's still 11. It's just making sure the brightness is off. If I put the fucking brightness up, sorry about my language. If I put it up, my phone's gonna, the battery's gonna go down faster and I'm not gonna be happy about it, you know. Okay, looks like it stopped filming. Alright, let's go. Seriously. Yeah, I don't know what you stole it from. I believe this is a Kohler San Rafael. I believe, but not sure. Nice tub. A Kohler sink right there. See that? Alright. Let's pause the video camera. Seriously, I need to move on. No joke.